How you doing? I'm Josh with Wooden Essentials. Today, I'm going to build a coffee bar. What I'm going to do is, I've seen this a couple other places where they have a fridge and like a little bar on top. The wood I'm going to be using is scrap wood from previous projects. I got some 1x4. I got some 1x4s that was from my last build, the bed frame. And I got some extra 2x4s that's just been laying around for a while. Okay, so I thought I had extra 2x2s, but I don't. So what I'm going to do is since I'm trying to use up a lot of the scrap wood in my shop, what I'm going to do is take some scrap 2x material. I'm going to run it through the table saw, get rid of this round over. Alright, I got the legs cut. So now what my idea is, since this is 2x material, I'm going to have a leg here and one on the other side. And this will be just at the top there. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, or if editing Josh could be able to zoom in. But it'll go over the top, and that'll give just enough space in case something was to go wrong and you had to pull out the fridge with these. Camera died when I was putting all this together. I got the frame built and the frame for the two shelves is going to go right underneath. Next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and sand everything down. I'm going to paint it black. I'm not sure if I have enough regular paint. If not, I'll use spray paint. I know I got plenty of that. After I get everything spray painted, when that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the top and the shelves. I'm still undecided for the top if I just want to torch it and leave the frame black and the top and the shelves the natural wood look with just a torch, or not torch it, leave it like it is, natural wood look, or stain it some other color. I'm still undecided, messed around with some ideas. I thought I recorded it, but I didn't. I took off just a little bit. You can still kind of see a gap, but it's not as bad as what it was before. I mean, it's still a gap that's noticeable, but again, it's not as bad as what it originally was. I'm going to go over to the miter saw and I'm going to cut down boards for the bottom two shelves. I'm going to make notches think that's the word. So that way the boards can fit with the 2x4s. You'll see. Now also, since I'm building this from a buddy, I'm going to leave him a little note right up here. Alright, I got everything done. All that's left now is to fasten in the top. So what I'm going to do is just countersink some screws from the bottom and screw it up to the top. I know some people don't like the idea of putting screws on a top piece, but I've done it to my kitchen table a couple of years ago and it's still holding strong. Before I forget, I already measured everything and it's sitting over 7/8 of an inch on each side of overhang. I made the back flush so that way he can push it up over against the wall, and the front has a slight overhang on it too. Okay, everything's all done. All that's left is to go ahead and put a finish on it. So what I'm going to use is polyacrylic. It says to do 2 or 3 coats, but I find with polyacrylic 6 coats is the magic number.